Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for tech tips and digital safety advice. In today's tutorial, we're diving deep into the world of computer viruses and malware. Knowing how to detect these threats is crucial for keeping your computer running smoothly and your data secure. We'll also guide you through the process of checking for viruses and recommend some of the best virus scanners available. Let's safeguard your digital life together. Step 1. Recognizing the signs of infection. First things first, how do you know if your computer might be infected? Look out for these warning signs. 1. Slow performance. 2. Crashes or blue screens. 3. Unexpected pop-up ads. 4. Programs opening or closing automatically. 5. Files multiplying or disappearing. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's time to take action. Step 2. Using built-in Windows security. Windows come with a built-in tool called Windows Security, previously known as Windows Defender. It's your first line of defense against viruses. To run a scan, navigate to Start, Settings, Update and Security, then Windows Security. After doing so, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now click on Quick Scan to start scanning your computer for threats. If you suspect a deeper issue, select Scan option and then Full Scan for a more thorough check. Step 3. Using third-party antivirus software. For an extra layer of protection, consider using third-party antivirus software. There are many options out there, but here are 3 top picks that consistently rank high for detection and usability. 1. Norton. Excellent for real-time malware protection and internet security features. 2. McAfee. Great for multi-device protection with a simple interface. 3. Bitdefender. Known for its advanced threat defense and minimal impact on system performance. Download and install your chosen antivirus, then run a complete system scan to detect and remove any threats. Step 4. Keeping your system and software updated. An often overlooked but vital step in virus prevention is keeping your operating system and software up to date. Hackers exploit vulnerabilities in outdated software to infect your computer. Regularly check for updates by going to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update and click Check for updates. Step 5. Practice safe browsing habits. Lastly, exercise cautions while browsing the internet. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. Use strong, unique passwords for your accounts and consider a password manager to keep track on them. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to detecting and removing viruses from your PC. Remember, staying informed and vigilant is key to keeping your digital life secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.